Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on troubleshooting and repairing your Thermomix TM31, specifically focusing on the power plate and cable. Let's dive into the essential tools you'll need. First, gather a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter for testing electrical components, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. To begin, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged. Safety is paramount. Start by removing the base cover. You'll find several screws securing it in place. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe location. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off. You may notice dust and debris inside. It's wise to clean this area using a soft cloth and isopropyl alcohol to prevent any electrical issues later. Next, we'll examine the power plate. This component is crucial for the device's operation. Check for any visible damage or burnt areas. If you spot any issues, it may be time to replace this part. If you don't have the tools or experience for a replacement, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to ensure you know exactly what needs fixing. Now, let's test the cable. Using your multimeter, set it to the continuity setting. Disconnect the cable from the power supply and probe the ends of the cable. If the multimeter beeps, the cable is intact. If not, you'll need to replace it. Should you require assistance, our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, making the process hassle-free. After checking the cable and power plate, it's important to inspect all connections. Make sure all wires are securely connected. Loose connections can lead to power failures. Tighten any loose screws with your flathead screwdriver. Once everything is checked and cleaned, it's time to reassemble the unit. Place the base cover back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is aligned correctly before tightening the screws to avoid any misalignment. Before you plug in your Thermomix, take one last look to ensure that there are no loose wires or leftover screws. If everything looks good, go ahead and plug it in. If it powers up, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Thermomix TM31. If you run into issues or find that the unit doesn't power on, don't hesitate to reach out. Remember, we provide no calls, no travel service for your convenience. You can get a quote before any repair work is done, ensuring that you're fully informed of the costs involved. In summary, proper maintenance and troubleshooting can greatly extend the life of your Thermomix TM31. Regularly clean the internal components and check for any wear and tear. This way, you can enjoy your cooking adventures without interruption. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.